What's up guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video tutorial I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna teach you how to use Discord over on your Android. So make sure that do watch the video completely and properly to get perfect into it. You can download the Discord application from your Play Store or your App Store. Now head to Discord and register your account or log in with your account if you already have the existing one. So here I have already an account, so I'm logging in with my account. Now as you can see in the left, there are different servers. You can join any of the server, and the servers are divided into subcategories in channels. You can also create your own server, or you can join the existing one using a link. So this is the main feature of that, and here you can put your email address or something in order to join the hub. So let's say you can choose any of the keyword and any of the link to join the hub. Now you can chat with your friends at different channels of the servers, but make sure that you're approved by the admin over of the specific server you want to communicate. So this is how this works, and these are the notifications panel. You will get notification. This is your profile, and you can access your settings and something like that. And from here you can search any of the channel or the specific server you want to access. If you're in any server and channel, you can search it from here and chat with your friends. So guys, that's the end for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.